Thank you for stopping by. Are you looking for a cloud computing solution that can help your business achieve its goals? If so, you should consider using Mayhem Shield. Mayhem Shield is a leading provider of cloud computing services, with a strong track record of helping businesses of all sizes migrate to the cloud and realize the benefits of cloud computing. So, what sets Mayhem Shield apart from the competition? First and foremost, Mayhem Shield has a team of highly skilled and experienced professionals who are experts in cloud computing. Our team has the expertise and knowledge needed to help your business plan and execute a successful cloud migration, ensuring that the process is smooth and seamless. In addition to our team of experts, Mayhem Shield also offers a wide range of services to support your cloud journey. From cloud migration and data warehousing to analytics and application development, we have the tools and resources needed to help your business succeed in the cloud. But that's not all. Mayhem Shield is also committed to providing top-notch customer service. We understand that the success of your business is our top priority, and we are dedicated to ensuring that you receive the support and guidance you need to thrive in the cloud. So why choose Mayhem Shield for your cloud computing needs? In short, we offer a comprehensive range of cloud computing services, backed by a team of experts and a commitment to excellent customer service. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help your business succeed in the cloud.